2nd February 1949. 72 years ago, there were a handful of business people, entrepreneurs, who understood the importance of air conditioning and refrigeration in building a country. And we are now 72 years old as an association, the Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Trade Association. We're one of the fastest growing associations over the last 2 years. And we reach out to 6,000 micro, small, and medium enterprises across India. And this is done through 13 regional committees. And our total strength only as committee members is about 100. That's a fantastic scale that we have reached. And this is just the beginning. Over the last 3 years, the Rata Day, which is every 2nd of February, is treated as the Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Day of India. Why do we do that? It's because we need to take pride in what we do. Because the moment you start enjoying what you're doing and you know that you're making a difference, suddenly life becomes meaningful. You want to grow your business. You want to add value to the industry. And that's what the significance of Rata Day is all about. At Rata, we've got some very big ambitious projects coming up. We're talking about safety in a very big way. How can we make sure that safety within our industry becomes a mandatory and everybody follows it? So there's a huge plan that is being worked out as to how to get it easily accessible and implement it effectively across the country. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Why should our industry, which is slated to grow for the next 2 decades, 8 times, be dependent on imports? So component manufacturing. At the association, we are working on a document that can help small businesses and traders come into the business of component manufacturing, whereby we can become self-reliant. We're setting up a huge business portal whereby all our members across the country can easily sell their products. Doesn't matter who you are. You might be a sales and service dealer. You might be a consultant. You might be a manufacturer. You might just be a contracting company. You might be just a trader. The portal should actually help you do business more and more. So at Rata, we really want you to join this movement. We are hoping that at least 3,000 people become part of this movement. And that is extremely important to make our voice heard. Our biggest focus is on how do we convince the government that we cannot tax this industry at 28%. You need to bring it down, avoid the confusion that's there around it so that we can grow faster. But for that, we need numbers. We need people joining this. So we are hoping that by the end of this 2 years, we can be at least about close to 3,000 people. So be part of this movement. Ask your vendors, your friends, your partners, and bring them on board. Because in democracy, numbers matter. The more the number of people, the more your voice gets heard louder. And that is exactly what we are doing at Rata. So, my friends, the Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Trade Association wishes each and every one of you a happy 72nd anniversary of Rata. More than anything, a happy air conditioning and refrigeration day. Enjoy this business, grow this business, and be part of Rata. Thank you.